Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert and sell your hamster token on Bybit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As we all know, the Hamster Education Resort is out. The location result is out. If you haven't seen yours, you can go to your Hamster Combat, and you'll be able to see the amount of tokens you're able to utilize on Hamster Combat. So first open the Bybit app on your mobile device, and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to the home page. Once Hamster gets to distribute the token is going to appear on your assets section, just like this on the Unified Trading section right here. And it is going to be showing on the spot trading. So once you got your token, simply click on Market and here search for Hamster. And you will see the first pair is Hamster/USDT. All you need to do is to click on it, and you will be on this trading page. Here, you need to make sure that market is what you selected, not limits or conditional. So ensure you select market. And then right here, you're going to see Hamster. Go ahead and select Hamster by quantity, order by quantity, just like this. And then click on confirm. So right here, all you need to do is to increase the threshold to the age. Now for all the Hamster token you receive to appear right here. So if you don't want to sell all the Hamster token, you can choose to decrease it so that you won't be able to sell it. You can just decrease it to any percent of your choice. You are going to place it to 100% because I want to actually sell all my Hamster token and convert it to USDT. If your Hamster token has been distributed to your Bybit, you'll be able to see the total amount of USDT right here. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Sell. You can see that on top of screen. So you need to do is to go ahead and click on Sell. Now looking at the top, it says Enter the quantity. Now the quantity is 0 because the Hamster token is not yet on my Bybit. So if the Hamster token is on your Bybit, all you need to do is to click on Sell, and you will be able to sell this. Now the next step you take is to wait for a while, and it is going to appear on the funding section as USDT. So once it is on USDT, you don't have anything to worry about anymore because it is already on the safe side. It is not going to depreciate on the market. So all you need to do is to sell it through P2P. So that's basically how you can convert and sell your Hamster token on Bybit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.